to the back out.
I mean,
Just see if you can invite me again.
we
Okay.
can leave if you don't want to try to kill them. We won't just have the Leatherface help you.
The King, why you joining my? Yeah, I can't do it from inside of a game.
HOLY
Spell holy and then
underscore, and then HOL.
Never mind. Okay.
guys are probably gonna be looking like fucking Mario that's taking shrooms.
What are you talking about, Joker? Bro, that's the first thing I hear from him. It's like Mario taking shrooms.
So, Trooper, I may need some backup because I did see some survivors.
Okay, I'm just poisoning some
Are
stuff.
you at the battery? If you
Yeah, I'm at the car battery right now.
you can kind of stay there if you want to. Wait, what did I just hear? Okay. Nope.
Either coughing or in-game
Heard the
stuff.
gate. Somebody is at the gas. I see Connie.
Dude, I'm live streaming.
I see Connie.
Yeah, I know.
We
I'm
all
just
smoke
saying.
weed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't think it's shit. What is she talking about
Got
though?
her.
Are you dead?
I got Connie just as she was.
It don't last that long.
No, Sunny is at the front with me.
Grandpa's in danger. Oh.
Kill his black ass.
Wait, where did Sunny go? I see Leland. He's where I'm at. He's about to shove me. Oh wait, that's actually a girl. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. They're at the front. They're about to escape. No! You get your ass back here and let me slash your ass. No! She escaped. They're gonna taunt me. Leland and Sunny are gonna fucking bully me. Leland is gonna bully
Crap.
me.
I'm out of powder. God damn it.
Trooper, I need you to be at the front, please. Leland
I'm in the house now. I'm trying to figure out how to get out there. Oh shit.
Fuck you.
It's my first time doing. Oh crap.
Get your ass back.
I
Here.
don't know where. Ain't no fucking way, bro.
Hey, Alex, I got one.
I got no XP from that at all.
No, you got 250.
Yeah, but there was like nothing though. Let's just quit. It was boring anyways. No, I'm not saying the. Oh my God, King.
He is high, remember.
Yes.
I have none, but I'll invite you both.
Y'all should be high.
No.
I haven't been high in a while. Yeah. Yesterday I was playing. What was it? I yeah yeah I was playing. I was playing something yesterday. I was drunk, so
Food tastes better.
life's just more enjoyable. You should try it, Joker. Everyone's first experience is different. Really? I had my first blackout when I was gone.
What, did you throw up or something? Dude.
What the fuck? That's some experience.
You sure it was weed?
Well, so they say. My drink of energy drink alcohol.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, that. Oh. Oh God.
Oh, hey, it's
I don't
family
have
house. Let's
anything to
go.
get high with.
Family house.
Oh, she got cigarettes. Oh, what if I like unroll it and stuff? I don't know. I know it's a different substance, but
What? Hey, Holy.
Joker.
Can I try around with Leatherface again?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, in fun, I know.
let's actually kill these people. Shit, hang on. What's that one perk I got? How the hell are they all escaping if all the doors are 40%? I know. Why do you think I'm drinking? She don't have that. She has some coffee liquor, vodka, fireball, moonshine. Yeah. I chugged the whole bottle last night. We bought multiple. And then I stole like 5 empty water bottles and just filled them up with a bunch of alcohol and energy drinks and mix them together.
Are you stoned, bro?
Yeah, well, they're doing
Crystal meth.
What, Wolf? I will.
We're doing the marijuana.
I'm not doing marijuana.
Yes, Joker. Someday you will.
Let me guess. You're
He
gonna
will.
talk about me?
Have you ever had
What I
crystal
said and
meth,
what
though?
I
No.
don't even say it, Wolf.
King?
I know that Rod told you what I.
King? King? You ever had crystal meth?
Connie's
I know
booty.
that Rod told you what I said in the what I would when we were playing Fortnite. I know. Wait. I know he told you. Hello, I'm the old lady.
I love trapping the front window.
Where's this generator at?
Every time.
Where are you, young pretty children?
Sure, I poisoned,
Grandma just wants to eat
incinerator.
cookies.
Fortnite battle pain.
Oh, one is going upstairs. One is going upstairs.
Alright,
Through
let
the
me try to
main
get to
exit.
the thing. Ah, no, that's the wrong way. Oh, I definitely see her through the house. I see her running through the house.
Damn it.
Tried to get her outside.
Yes,
Where'd she go?
she was upstairs. But I lost her.
Ah, damn it. Motherfucker. Where'd he go? Bro, where did he go? Am I high or something? Because I can't see this dude. Like, I'm completely blind. I can't see this man.
Oh wait, did you just see that?
Reggie.
Holy, she's running back in the house.
I see.
You're welcome. Sorry to bug you, but your party.
Oh, he must have went back in the house. God damn it. Crazy motherfucker.
Sorry, but
Oh.
your party pops up on the screen. What text?
Hi, Mr. Skeleton. Oh, what's up, Gramps? Oh, they're outside.
Friends are back.
I don't know why someone just messaged me. I don't even know who they are.
Dude, I just saw them outside. Where did they
I
go?
know there's a wall. You can, like, when you build in the game, you literally jump on the wall like Uncharted. No, not like that. Oh my gosh.
I like Batman.
Yeah, like Batman.
Fucking A, like Batman.
I think I'm blind. I can't see them at all.
Yeah, this is why I don't drink, Trooper.
Like, they keep running past me and then they're disappearing.
They're probably at the back where you're not checking.
I just went through the back and they ain't there.
Well, they could be in the grass, remember?
Yeah, I went through the grass. I didn't see no
Found
little
one in the
human.
grass.
You know that they won't move if you walk right by them. What are you talking about, Keen?
Where'd they go?
Oh, I see one. Trooper, over here. He's over here.
Yeah, I think I'm. I think I might
Got
be a
his
bit
ass.
buzzed. Ah, what? What was that?
Told you he can knock you down.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you never said anything about knocking down. Now, where'd he went go? Where'd he go?
He's in a closet. Come here, bitch. Get out of the closet. Get out of the closet.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, your ass back here. Oh, let me do it. Let me do it.
Fine, do
Hold
it,
on,
do it,
hold
do
on,
it, do it, do
hold
it, do
on,
it.
hold on. I gotta carry him. Hold on. Come on, let me carry him.
If you won't do
Oh
it,
my
I will.
gosh. It wouldn't let me carry him.
Ah, shit.
I'm trying to do the environmental kill.
No, shit.
He is, probably dead after that.
Nah, he fell in the well.
No, I hit him like a truck. Hey, Holy?
Yeah.
Somebody got the, basement door open. They got the fuse. Oh no. Yes! I got her before she escaped!
Good
Nope, it
job.
said she escaped.
Except Leland. Leland escaped.
Damn.
Damn it.
I'm
So
gonna go
that's how they've
upstairs.
been escaping from me.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
So what the hell are you talking about, King?
I don't. Hold on. Oh no. Trooper? I meant, Holy?
But
We have a problem. I cannot turn it off because Danny did it.
oh
Danny
shit.
did it.
What though? What did he do?
Danny did the fuse, so I can't turn it off.
Shit.
I'm lost.
Of course you are.
Remember, use your focus.
Yeah, hang on, I think
Somebody's
it's
in
off
the
cooldown.
basement. Somebody's in the basement. Yep. And they're gone.
But I'm in the
Pressure
basement
valve.
though.
Pressure valve.
Where is it? It's in the basement.
It's in the basement. I'm watching the gate.
Alright, I'm gonna go down there and turn it off. If I can.
Hurry up.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. You can't rush me because I'm... As soon as we switch for me and... Okay, the fuses.
What do you mean
Oh,
basic exit open?
that's... Oh, that's... Oh. I mean, that's Trooper. Where the fuck is the fucking thing? I don't
Use your
see it down here.
focus. Use your
I
focus.
am. It's not down here. It's up there.
Oh, it might be upstairs. Sometimes it is. Let me see.
Oh, what am
Somebody's
I
going
looking
for the
for?
It's
back.
by Grandpa. It's by Grandpa.
Oh,
Oh, somebody's
oh, it's
going for
near
the back.
Grandpa? Okay.
I saw the back door red. So somebody is back here. Yep, they're
Um,
going for the back. Yep, it's open.
what am I supposed to, I'm near Grandpa, but what am I looking for?
I forgot.
Wow, that's very helpful. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Ah! Anna stabbed me back here!
In the butt?
What the
Yes.
hell?
She was literally in the backyard. And then she just stabbed me. And I did not enjoy that. Yeah, no, Holy, you can have your Leatherface back.
Thank you.
Also, by the way, I tried to do a freaking kick, the execution to Leland, but it wouldn't let me pick him up. It didn't let me press square. It did not. It just let me execute him, but I didn't because I wanted to do the. I wanted to carry him.
The gallows kill.
Yeah, the gallow kill. I tried to do that, but
Hmm?
it wouldn't
I,
let me carry him.
I
All of your comments. Huh? What? My mother is my sister. Yep, I've been drinking again. I don't think I'm thinking straight because I was having people passing me left and right.
Yeah, no, Trooper, you need to knock your drunkness out of your body.
are you drunk? Trip. That's funny. You're drunk and I'm stoned. Sounds like a country song.
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, because we know that because he's
Oh,
meaning that Trooper is drunk and
um,
Holy and Keen are pretty much
Fake.
smoking weed.
What do you mean pretty much? There's no there's
Oh yeah, by the way, Nancy's house.
no. Let's back out. I'm just
I'll
kidding.
back out.
No, I'm kidding.
Oh,
Just kidding.
oh.
I'm getting used to Nancy's house actually.
Hey, Holy, you're a hitchhiker, not Leatherface.
Oh, thank you.
Keen, are you just saying things?
He's probably like
From
me
being
in
stoned.
this thing.
Keen is saying things because he's so stoned. Well, just remember, you're playing with a stoned person right now.
A stoned person, right? What is that supposed to mean, bro?
I
What
think
the
you're
fuck?
personally talking about someone. What do you mean by that?
I'm not personally talking about Holy. I'm personally talking about Keen because he's
Okay.
saying things.
No, you're talking about all stoners.
No. I just said stoned. I didn't say stoner.
That's funny.
Alright, honey is dead. The black man is dead. Says a man who
Oh.
didn't see
Oh wow.
anything because his eyes were slim. What, are you from China now? Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh, it's this map again.
Yeah, Grandpa is still by the main house,
Oh, cool.
like always.
I'm getting used to this map.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm actually kinda getting
it
used
was
to
a
it.
different experience. Ow, what the f- What the fuck was that, bro? I just fell on my ass.
Trooper.
Oh,
I don't know.
did you run over the cattle grid?
I might have. I didn't realize I did.
The electric cattle grid?
Yeah, I didn't realize I did. Oops.
Yeah, Trooper, you do not want to run over electric path.
Unless you get rubber boots.
Wait, you can get. I don't think you can get
You
that, can
can,
you?
but
Wait, what?
Kane, we can't do that unless we do a custom match.
We already got 3
Do you
killers, though.
wanna just, Holy, do you wanna just do a custom match? Oh, I see. I
It's up
see.
to you guys.
Oh!
I would like to experience what a custom match is like, so.
Well,
I
let's
wouldn't.
play
I
as
wouldn't.
victims.
Where did Leland go? Where does...
Hey, what about playing as victims?
Oh yeah,
Oh, I
victims.
totally
Yeah,
forgot
sure.
about that.
Let's
Victims
do
fun.
that. That'll be fun.
Holy, there's two people are somewhere in there.
I suck as a victim, so.
I bet I would too.
Two
I was better
people
as a
are
me and
somewhere.
Melvin were better as survivors in Friday.
Well, that's
I
why you
remember
picked
he would just
Friday.
like no, like he would literally let everyone live. He's like, fuck this shit.
Well, remember this
Oh, I
is.
found you. I found you. I found one. I got one. I found 2 of them.
Oh, yep, that's the two that I was talking about.
Shit.
Help! They're all up here.
I know.
One.
No,
I
no, no.
got
Go, go, go,
Leland.
go, go. Oh my god, bro. Just go through the door.
Trooper, there's one just walked right through that door in front of me.
Yeah, and he just went downstairs. Oh, what the hell? Where did he go? What the fuck? Oh, that's
me.
ganja. My bad. I'm trying to find this motherfucker. Is he not down here anymore?
Hold on, let me use my sense.
Because I want to know where this motherfucker went.
I don't see. Oh wait, I found footprints. I'm tasting them.
Oh man, I thought you were. I was about to hit you.
He's over here. Follow me.
Let me get him. I want it. I'm trying my new
He's over
execution.
here. I'm following his footprints.
I want to try my new execution. So.
He's somewhere around here.
Don't tell me he went down the well.
Nope. He's through here. Run. Go for the battery.
Love never dies. Ah, shit.
Trooper behind. Trooper.
Oh my god, damn.
Where's Leland? You guys go find Leland. I'll turn on the battery. Oh wait, no, wait. That's not Leland. It's Connie. Nope.
Not.
And
Oh,
you left.
what the hell? How the hell I get 150?
Hey, I got more points.
Bro, I almost had that motherfucker killed and he disappeared from me.
Who am I listening to?
You said we're doing, custom
You
max?
listen to this, some stoned guy.
You said we're doing custom or no? Joker.
I thought we're doing victims.
Oh, we're doing victims? Alright, we can do victims.
Victims.
You could have invited King, by the way.
Okay, then let me hit cancel.
I call Sonny.
Duh, okay.
Okay.
King, I'm inviting you. You're now get off of Fortnite.
Yes, you were.
No, I literally just saw what you were playing when I invited you. Yeah, I can.
Wolf, just tell him that. Just tell Trooper that King was on Fortnite.
He was on Fortnite.
Gosh.
You guys, I want to see Godzilla -1.
Oh yeah, that new Godzilla movie.
I heard it's fucking badass.
Oh,
I don't know. I've
didn't
seen
know
the
that
trailers. It don't look that bad.
Wait, it's already out? Wait, what?
No.
I call Leland, though. Or Connie. Whoever. I don't think. I'm gonna change my outfit, though. What? That is a lie. Keen is very drunk.
No, that. Wait, King, you're drunk?
I mean, hi, whatever. What, are you from fucking GTA just saying things?
We're waiting for King to join.
He joined.
Oh wait, he did. Oh.
Yes! You guys are so...
We're fucked up. Yes.
Well,
Yeah. I like it.
I wish that you have PlayStation Plus, so then you can deal with this as well.
What? Well, I ain't giving you money.
No, I don't think so right now.
I ain't giving you money.
I don't think it... I don't...
Dude, do you know
Joker.
how much money I spent in the last month?
Joker, give him money.
What?
Yeah, Joker.
Yeah, Joker.
Yeah, Joker.
What do you mean I'm broke? I'm
No, you're
definitely-
saving up. Yeah, I know you got all kinds of money saved up right now. That's why you're not spending nothing.
Watch
'cause
this
you're
while
saving-
drunk.
He's saving his money. That's a good thing, though.
Sure.
You are rich.
See, I only have $1,000. I went from
boo-hoo.
5,000 to 1,000 because.
I may have not $75.
Oh yeah! I love that song.
No, I can't.
Mhm.
No, you do. Slide.
Where was my Spotify at? Here we go.